Welcome back to Real Island Life. Let's explore. Hey, here's an aerial shot from our new drone. This is Tingloy. We have a house here in this little town on the island. We really do enjoy it. A nice little weekend getaway, or just whenever we want to get out of the city. It is the place to go. No cars. You get around by walking, motorcycle, sidecar. Here's the shot of the little port. This is the port at Tingloy. It goes back and forth from Batangas. Takes about 30 minutes, so it's not a big deal. As you can see, the coastline is just absolutely gorgeous through here. I mean, this time of year, everything is so green, and it really looks beautiful. So sit back, go ahead and take a look at our little island. Let us know what you think. Leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. All right, and this is the very famous Masasa Beach. This is where everybody from Manila goes. They come here on the weekends in summertime. In summertime, it is really packed. There'll be tons of people there all day. Sometimes it's hard to get a ride on a tricycle to get to the beach.
And this is my favorite thing to do. As you can see, I'm on my paddleboard and I bring my kayak and I snorkel sometimes because there's a lot of turtles there. And I don't need to take a boat to go there 'cause I can swim from the shore to that very end where there's a line there, a buoy. And I enjoy it a lot here. Well, enjoy watching. Here's my other favorite pastime. I go fishing with these kids and we caught one fish, I think, but this is really, really cool. I'm with this little boat. We call it bangka here in the Philippines. And I enjoy it a lot. Thanks for watching, everyone.